Welcome to our colorful journey through the mesmerizing spectrum of colors. From the fiery reds to the cool blues, colors add beauty and vibrancy to our world in endless ways. Are you ready to explore the rainbow with us? Let's dip our brushes and begin our chromatic adventure. Our journey begins with the passionate hue of red, symbolizing love, energy, and warmth. Spells out R-E-D, red. Can you envision a field of vibrant red roses or a blazing sunset painted across the sky? Demonstrates painting with red. Let's embrace the fiery intensity of red and infuse our world with passion and vitality. Now, let's bask in the golden glow of yellow, symbolizing sunshine, happiness, and optimism. Spells out Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Can you picture fields of swaying sunflowers or rays of sunshine peeking through the clouds? Demonstrates painting with yellow. Let's spread the radiant warmth of yellow and chase away the clouds with its cheerful glow. Next up, we have the cheerful color of orange, radiating joy, creativity, and enthusiasm. Spells out O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Can you imagine a juicy orange slice or a glowing pumpkin on a crisp autumn day? Demonstrates painting with orange. Let's bask in the warm glow of orange and ignite our imagination with its playful spirit.